Hello, in today's video I'll show you everything that's in the box of your Monsieur Cuisine Smart and how to assemble it, how to disassemble things, and some tips on how to use them. First, let's talk about the accessories. So this is the measuring cup, which you can install on top of the lid to prevent splashes by putting it on, then twisting it, and you can see it is locked. You just twist it clockwise or twist it counterclockwise to remove it. You can also use it as an actual measuring cup because it has these lines so that you can see the milliliters. Now, the lid, of course, on top can be removed by twisting it counterclockwise, or can be put back and twisted clockwise. Now I'll get to removing the bowl in a moment, but first let's talk about the other accessories like the butterfly whisk that you can put inside of your device on the knife. This hole is where the sticking out part of the knife goes on, in order to, you could just put it on there inside on the knives, and it is there to mix things even better, or to whip cream or beat egg whites. Remember not to use it above the speed of 4, above the mixing speed of 4. Then this is the spatula. You can use it after removing the lid to scrape things from the walls. You could also use it to remove some dough or some other mixed ingredients from inside of the mixing bowl. You can also mix while cooking by inserting it through here. This part is there to stop you from touching the knives. And there's also this hook, which is helpful for removing the simmering basket, which is this part. You can put it inside of your mixing bowl in order to put things that you don't want to touch the blades with. So that's going to be, for example, something you want to cook in sous vide mode. You can also use it for cooking eggs, rice, or anything like potatoes or pasta if you don't want it to touch the knife. Now you can remove it from the from inside by attaching this this hook on the handle. And the last accessory is the steaming dish, steaming attachment, and it can be installed after removing the lid. You just put it on at an angle like that and twist it on. It consists of 3 parts: the dish, the tray, and the lid. Now let's talk about the bowl itself. The steaming dishes for steaming dishes, of course, and it can be used by using the steaming mode, inserting some water in the mixing bowl, and that is basically it. Now, as you can see, when I put the lid on and twist it on, then I cannot remove the bowl, because to be able to remove the bowl, you need to remove the lid first. Then the bowl will unlock, and now you can remove the bowl. And now let me show you how to remove the knife from it. So to do it, you'll find this lock on the bottom that you can put in the open position right here, but make sure to hold your device like that, not upside down, so that the knife doesn't fall out. Later you can remove the knife, and it has this sealing ring that can be removed. You can clean the knife, then put it in. Make sure that these 2 sticking out parts, these notches, align with the cutouts in the hole. Once it's in, you can lock the part on the bottom counterclockwise, and now it is locked so that it doesn't fall out. and you can put the bowl inside of your base station and then twist the cover on top. As you can see, now it is installed because it cannot be removed when the lid is on. And that is basically it for this video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.